This is Bolt. That's Chocolate. You can see him with the glare. But we're on a walk, and I clarify a good walk is how many times they cross in front of me, or how many times they don't cross in front of me. And Bolt, as you can see, is not crossing in front of me, at least not yet. So we're on a good walk right now. There he is. He's out doing his thing. I mean, I'll let a dog do his thing. Here we go. Nope, see, he didn't cross. He's paying attention to the walk. Now he's pulling a little bit, coming through a little alleyway. A couple of dogs right here that he knows so well. Coming up on him. We'll see how he does. Morning. There's the first time he crossed in front of me right there. On a turn, which is expected. Here's the second time. Good. Now these houses are loaded with dogs. But ever since we started walking down this way, they stay pretty quiet for a while. There's one. He's a good walker.